Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Aquila and I'd love for you guys to join. So for this look, or should I say for this video, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. And sorry about my tongue, I just ate some hot Cheetos, which I'm still snacking on. And I will have a better setup for like my beauty type of videos. There's not a lot of room in our house, so we don't have that much of a good setup. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get into it. I'm first gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera just because it's a lot easier for me to do my eyebrows off camera rather than on camera, and it takes up a lot more time when you do your eyebrows on camera. But I am going to show you guys the products I will be using for my brows. So I'm gonna use my go-to. Well, this is my go-to, but I also have another go-to. Like, if you don't want to spend a fortune on brow filler, pretty much the same thing, but eyebrow pencils and stuff, I do use the NYX one, but I ran out of that, so I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's just in dark brown. I'll wait for it to focus. And then I'm gonna go ahead and be using the NYX brow glue, and it works wonders on your brows. If you don't put anything in your brows, it works wonders as well if you just want to shape them up and have them fluffy. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera and then get back on with the video. Okay, so I'm back, and like I said, I just did my brows off camera. This is what they look like. And now I'm gonna go in with the eyes, and I'm just gonna use one makeup palette. Actually, I'm not going in with the eyes first. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm going with the face first. Or should I just do the eyes for this look? I think I'm just going to stick with eyes on this look so that I don't have to do my full face again. But I did do my brows just because the brows complement the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Pretty Too Faced Rich palette. And just this one palette, just so I can stick to one palette and not go in my drawer and get a whole bunch of different palettes to use. And if you see me pausing throughout this video, it's because I have to click off then on my camera, or else when it's filmed too long, it won't transport to my laptop to edit, and I really want to transport it to my laptop to edit it, so that's why. But for this makeup look, I will be going in with Fancy That, which is just this brown right here. And then I'll be going in with It's Cashmere, which is like this darker brown. And then I'll be going in with Oh That's Rich, that. And then I might do something on my top lid over those colors. I'll wait and see, but that is what I'll be doing. Okay, so now I got the camera kind of set up on my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this fluffy brush. It is in 35E. Not sure what brand it is, but this is the brush I will be using. And I'm just gonna mix the It's Cashmere and Fancy That. And I'm just going to put it in all on my eyelid. ahead and go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with Diamond Life. No, I'm gonna go in with Diamonds for Breakfast and go, this is Diamonds for Breakfast. But I'm gonna go ahead, pat that on my brush, and then pat it right here in the middle of my lid and my inner corner. And then same with the other eye. Oh, my sleeves are falling down. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in, I'm sorry I'm up close, but I'm going to go ahead and go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner. I usually don't use this one, I like using the NYX, but I did get this e.l.f. one, and I'm going to go ahead and look in this mirror. So I'm going to kind of be looking this way. I might just use my makeup palette. It's a little easier. I did blink, so there is eyeliner stuck right there, but since I'm wearing my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover it with doing that. Usually I would fix it, but I'm not gonna fix it. I'm not gonna waste the time to fix it. I'm not really wasting time, but I just really don't want to fix it. It's not that bad, because when my eyes are like this, you can't really tell. Okay, and that is the eyeliner. Usually it would be a little better, but it is kind of hard like looking there and at the mirror at the same time just to make sure it's like focused. But once I have a better setup, I'm sure it'll be a lot better. Now I'm gonna let that dry for a second. Okay, so now since I think it's pretty dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go in and curl my lashes. And I'm going to go ahead and use, I forgot what lashes they are, probably e.l.f. or Kiss lashes. I think they're Kiss lashes, but this is what they look like. I need to get more, but for the glue, you guys know, like probably from my old videos, and it gets dirty so fast, but this is my favorite lash glue, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I think it works really well for my eyelashes. When putting them on, it just sticks really well. But yeah. So while I'm getting the glue on them, I'm going to let them dampen and then be right back. Okay, so now since my lashes are pretty much damp, I'm going to go ahead and put them on. And usually I don't have to use tweezers, but I like using tweezers just because it makes it more precise for me. Yeah. And like I said, I have to look over here too, just to make sure I get them on good, and I'm looking in the mirror. And I also put some bottom black liner on, and I just used the Laura Geller in black, and it's waterproof. And that is the look. My lashes. But that is my fall little makeup look, well, eye look. Like I said, I would do my full face, but I don't want to make this video longer. Next time I will. But that is the look, and the reason why I say it's fall is because fall is more of the deeper tones, dark browns, more, I don't know, glittery, kind of reminds me of it, like brown glitter looks, stuff like that. But just like the darker pigments remind me of fall, so that's why I did this look. This is actually the look I did today to go back into Ulta. I don't know if you guys knew, but I did get a job at Ulta. It's just a seasonal beauty advisor, which I'm still thankful for, but I start next week, which is very exciting. But yeah, this is just my little fall makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!